Welcome to another Elishop video. Today we're taking a closer look at the practical side of fume extractors, how they work and when to use them. Here at Elishop we sell a wide range of fume extractors for soldering, including our own Elishop products, such as the FE1B and the ELE FU2. It might sound obvious, but we often need to explain that a fume extractor is not a vacuum cleaner. I will show you how fume extractors work and whether they are suitable for your needs. Let's get started. When we open the fume extractor, we can see how it works. Inside a typical fume extractor, you'll find three types of filters. First, the pre-filter. It captures larger dust particles. Then the HEPA filter for very fine particles. And finally the activated carbon filter to neutralize fumes and odors. The motor is located beneath the filter compartment. It drives a fan that creates suction inside the system. This pulls contaminated air through the filters in sequence. First through the pre-filter, then through the HEPA filter, and finally through the activated carbon filter before clean air is released at the back of the unit. The result: clean, odor-free air in your workspace. Most of the volume of dust gets captured in the pre-filter. What you see is that there's no storage for large amounts of dust, like in a vacuum cleaner. Smoke extractors aren't built for applications which generate a lot of dust. You'll need a system with a dust tank for that, or a system that vents to the outside. One such application is laser cutting or engraving. Laser cutting and engraving produces an exceptionally high volume of fine particle matter. Fume extraction filters will clog up rapidly and require frequent replacement. Here you can see what happens when you use a fume extractor for a couple of hours of laser cutting. We recommend to vent fumes directly outside or use a specialist system with a cyclone for laser cutting. Fume extractors have many uses beyond soldering. They can also help remove fumes and odors in places like coffee roasting, nail salons, or jewelry workshops, but not for laser cutting, because there is no dust storage. Read our full article on our knowledge base. One of the key strengths of our own brand Elishop fume extractors is their low noise level. The motor and fan are powerful yet silent. We perform noise and suction measurements on many brands of extractors, and our floor standing models outperform the other brands clearly. You can read more about these measurements in our knowledge base. The replacement filters are also cheap, so they are cost effective to use over time. So, to recap, a fume extractor isn't a vacuum cleaner. It's made for fumes, not heavy dust. Perfect for soldering, but not for laser cutting or engraving. Let us know in the comments, what do you use your fume extractor for? If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and check out our knowledge base to learn more about fume extractors. Thanks for watching.